Let's say you have just done product research for Etsy and you created like 20, 30, 40, 50 designs and want to upload them to Printify, but on Printify you cannot bulk upload them, and you would also have to write the title, description and text manually for each individual listing. But I'm going to show you a way to automate all that. Step 1, upload your designs. Okay, now you could add the title, description and text individually for each one, or do the automated way, select them all, hit generate data, select the product type you want to sell. I'm going to choose t-shirt and hit generate. This will basically give the image to the AI, and the AI will analyze the image and give us the title, description and text optimized for Etsy. Okay, this is done. Hit Printify upload. Here you need to enter your Printify API token. So head over to Printify, account, connections, generate token. Once you have that, go back and paste it in here. Continue. Then you can select the product type you want to sell, also the print provider. Also here you can select the colors you want to sell. Okay, let's set the pricing for our t-shirts. Let's do $24.99, and you can also deselect some variants if you don't like them. And in the last step, we can save it as a template, so we don't have to configure all that again in the future, and just upload to Printify. And we are done. You didn't have to upload each individual listing, research the title, description and text, and copy and paste them over. You just did that in 5 minutes. I will leave a link to PaloTagz in the description down below. Hope this video helped you guys.